Hey, it's Dave. Today we're here. I'm working outside. Lucky, beautiful day after heavy rains this morning. I'm trying to finish off a walkway to the sheds in the backyard and a couple of garden projects. I wanted to talk about the DeWalt cordless chop saw. Now, there's all kinds of saws out on the market, and they're all great. This isn't particularly a pitch for DeWalt, but I happen to like it because I have a lot of batteries, and I'm trying to stick with just one brand for the battery, and their quality seems to be pretty good. So with the chop saw, I'm using it a lot. I have a lot of cuts to make. If you can see the deck that I'm building to the shed here, the walkway, the deck's up there all the way through the planter boxes. So we make a lot of cuts. And somebody asked me the other day that I never even thought about because I've been using them for so long, is they've never used a chop saw before. And I thought that, you know, it would be a really good opportunity to go over some safety features, some basics, and just so you could enjoy it and not be stressed out using it. Of course, the most important thing to cut is the wood, not your fingers. So you need to take the extra time to watch what you're doing. With this one here, it's got the retractable guard on it. It's a coarse blade used for framing and chopping wood rather than trim and fine work like that, which I changed the blade out to a much finer blade. It has some basic slide to it, but it is not a big saw. It's a 7-inch blade, and it cuts the wood that I need for this type of work. The DeWalt batteries give it lots of power. It's a 20-volt battery, and I can cut for most of the day with this. Your wood, always inspect, make sure there's no nails. The laser today won't help us at all on this because it's so bright outside, so when I mark, I make sure I mark all the way across with my speed square so that I can line up the blade with the line to make sure it's cut nice and straight. Another big tip that people don't do is after every cut, I brush out the guard here. The back guard will make sure your wood is straight, your cut is straight, then you're not looking to try and readjust it or you're wasting wood. I'm going to make a quick cut here. You can see my hands are well away from the blade. Nice straight cut, it's clean. The back side, sometimes you need to clean up a little bit depending on what kind of framing work you're doing. Safety glasses, and I wear gloves only because everything has been a little dirty out here from where we've been working, and during the pandemic I'm always washing my hands, so my hands are a little softer than usual, so I'm wearing gloves lately rather than worrying about getting blisters and splinters. So that's kind of the basics with a chop saw. You've got to make sure you're paying attention to what you're doing. I never cut pulling the guard up. Always leave the guard down. If you need to cut with the guard up, you're using the wrong tool. Grab yourself another piece of equipment or another tool and cut that way. Cutting with the guard up is an invitation for something in your face if it ever kicks back. So those are the basics. I hope it helps. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. I'm ready to move on to the next project and keep going with this. So everybody have a great day, and hopefully you're enjoying the sunshine like I am. Thank you.